Greetings and welcome back to Smartwatch Ticks. We're a YouTube channel on the web at smartwatchticks.com. Got a brand new watch in for you to take a look at. This one is actually being marketed as a dress business watch, and you can tell it's got an upscale dial. Whoa! An upscale dial to it. Looks like it fell in the box on the way out here. Well, good thing it's shockproof, huh? There it is. We got the gold one, too. Look at that. It's a designer watch, guys. You're looking for all the top specs and all the bells and whistles. This is a designer watch. It's a basic smartwatch, but we're not going to see a whole lot of extra things that... Wow, look, the exact same watch face is already on and glowing. We'll run through it, but I want you to recognize that it's... primarily for its fashion appeal, which is fine. I mean, after all, those big fancy stores in the department store complexes that sell watches with brand names, that's what they're all about. It's fashion, right? Well, this is fashion from the smartwatch realm. There's the charger, connects to a USB, and a user manual we'll get to once you know what it actually is you're looking at. It's called the Bakeey F9, coming to us from Banggood. It's, what did they say, 280 milliamp hour device, and IP67 waterproof, and the typical kind of functions that you see on a smartwatch. You've got the heart rate and blood pressure and blood oxygen, full touch, 1.3 inch, I believe, dial. You got all these languages supported. It connects to the DaFit app. We've reviewed that several times, so we'll probably just refer you to other reviews to look closely at the app. All these things, including weather forecasts, are built into it. You can make your own watch faces. It's got a nice selection and, of course, a very dressy dial. You're looking at 280 milliamp hour battery with, it says, 30 days of standby time and 15 days usage, which is great. There you go, 1.3 inch, 240 by 240, and that's it. So the user's manual that comes with it in the box in English looks like this. There's where you can download the app, scanning the QR code, go directly to the Google Play Store, or use the link we have in the show notes to get there. Simple process of pairing using the touch screen, and then you got icon-driven screens for all these different functions. Interestingly, as dressy as the watch looks, that you could wear in, I don't know, as a lobbyist in Washington, D.C., to me, the layout of the pictures looks rather comic book, rather child-focused. I've seen much more dressy ways of presenting the user interface, and I would have leaned toward that for a dressy watch. But maybe all you got to do is just flash your dial, and that will be enough to get everybody happy, right? Now, we're going to check it and see if I've got enough power to play with it. There it is on. Look at that. It really is a very dressy watch. It's got, even the holes are actually covered. You see that? Where it connects in. So it's going for the fashion market, no doubt. I am. I'm getting the twist your wrist to see the time. Swipe down. You see the battery's almost empty. So let's run through quickly. We've got... What have we got? We've got brightness. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different levels. There's our lowest, which is probably about right for the video. This is, find your phone type vibration, I think. Here you've got a timer for it. A nice big sized stopwatch. When we swipe out of it and we come back into it, is it still running? Nope, it resets it. So, like I said, typical smartwatch. Reset and about. Now we don't want to reset it. And about tells you the information you need, F9A, for pairing it to your phone. That's when you go that way. When you go this way, we've got your step count. Just took it out of the box. Here's last night's sleep time. When you land on this page, it's going to be doing heart rate. Wow, I don't even see the diode working in there. It might not even have enough power for that. Let's see what it'll do. Oh, it just keeps turning the screen off on me. Anyway, that would be our heart rate. we would then have your blood pressure, right there, and blood oxygen reading would be taken right there. You got a music player when you're tethered to your phone that'll play the music on the phone. You can use it as a remote camera to trigger your phone. Here's the breathing exercises where you inhale and exhale and breathe in, it says. I'm not getting a vibration on the watch, which is unfortunate. I like it when you get the vibration. You don't have to look at the screen. You could close your eyes and drift off. But this doesn't, so you'd have to be watching it. That's the breath cycle information. And then back to the watch face, which when you press and hold, vibrated. There we go. There's a different face. And yet another one. Wow, these are dressy faces, some of these. Look at that. Yeah. You know, if you want a fashion smartwatch, this really is. It's one of the nicest I've seen. Let's go with that one. There we go. It vibrated and we're there. Go this way. Wow, empty message. I guess that's your message notification area. And this way, all your different exercises, walking, running, and so forth. Not too many. It has swimming, so it must be waterproof. It claims IP67. By the way, does the crown turn? It turns, but it doesn't do anything. When you go into one of these, like running, that's a typical one. Yeah, look at that. It tells us we have low power, so it's not going to go any further than that. I'll charge it up, and we'll demo a little bit of that, since there's a few functions aren't working well unless it's fully charged. Okay, I put some charge on it. I tethered it to the app, and I've actually put a brand new watch face on there as well. Put some steps on it, and we're good to go. So let's come back over here to the fitness area. There we are. And look at running again. Now, since it has enough power, you see it kicks in immediately. It starts timing the run. You can get calories, steps, and heart rate off of this, and it looks like distance traveled. You can stop it from there. You can check it, and that will terminate it, but there wasn't enough time, so it won't be saved. But overall, that's how you would access all of this information. And yeah, all in all, it's a really attractive watch. It's definitely a dress watch. You can use it in any occasion. It comes in a couple of different colors, all of them with these screws around the bezel. This is the gold with the black band, and it is available from Banggood. That's right, it's called the F9. Check it out, basic smartwatch with all the typical things you'd find on them these days, and at a really decent price as well. And we'll try to have a coupon discount for you too. Alrighty, gang, thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon.